It's so cold.
Hi guys.
Hey, what's up? It stopped raining. It's Sunday. It's finally summer here in New York.
That's right. Today it's like 84 degrees outside, so you can see everybody outside today. And we are on our way to soak up the sun and relax in outdoor pool. See you guys there. This is SoJo.
We're in Edgewater, New Jersey, spending the day at this luxury spa. I'm not sure where we are now, but another pool.
Yeah.
On the 7th floor, maybe?
Yeah, 7th floor. No, it's not 7th floor. I think it's
Oh, 5.
yeah.
5th floor. Take a look around.
89 or 90 degrees.
That feels so good.
Oh my god.
We just got the Korean body scrub for 60 minutes. This scrub exfoliates every inches of our skin. We had to soak in the warm water for 15 to 30 minutes to help the skin prepare exfoliated. After soaking in a hot pool, a Korean attendant will call your tag number to the scrub stall in the bath area and laying on the massage table. She tossed warm water over my body and used the mitts, start scrubbing from head to toe, even my armpit. I don't know what soap she applied to my body, but smells so good. Then she tossed a few buckets of warm water at last. We both felt incredible, and absolutely our skin is very smooth and softer. I wish I could do longer. Highly recommend it.
We're at the soap bath now.
Over 100 degrees.
Yeah, it's like white, milky, silky smooth. Take a look around.
A little bit small.
And after this, my plan is to go back to that cold waterfall. We'll see you at the next one. What are we going to do?
Not really sure. We're gonna check area as well.
So cool! Hold it for you. Good. Hold up. It's so cold.
About time to leave.
Yeah, it's been a full day at the spa. It's almost 7 o'clock. We have a shuttle to catch back to the city. It's a full-on spa. Every treatment you could imagine they have here. We've been in every pool, every bath.
Yeah.
Did the Korean body scrub. We just haven't been in the saunas, but we'll save that for the next trip.
Yeah. If you like this video, give us a like, thumbs up, and subscribe. See you. Bye.